Hey guys, karibuni sana to another exciting awesome episode of Set na Mugure. Na leo, as you can clearly see, nimeshikilia coconut bana jo. So, mimi nimetoka Kanairo, sindio? As in don't have coconut trees and stuff like that. So coconuts there are rarity naweza sema. So tukiget coconut mairia tunafanya ngaje, unaikata, unaivunja, unaweka maji kunywa hiyo maji alafu labda mnakula hiyo flesh ndani. Lakini wenye tulikamuku kwa store tulipata hawa sana tumia coconut kufanya vitu mob sana, so many things, and today I want to show you just one of those things, man. So karibuni and stick with us till the end, because let me tell you, it's something so easy for you to make and you have the ingredients at home. Rest assured this stuff uko nazo. So karibuni sana na twendeni hivi bana jo to make stuff na I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Karibuni sana. Remember, we talked about the coconut. So a very important tool that you need to work with coconuts is called mbuzi. Si mbuzi Nyashinsky the goat hapana. Ni mbuzi ya grate coconut. So aka stuff kanafunguka hivi na msea naikalia hapa na hapa ndo unaikunia. So I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it, but let's get to our other ingredients. First, I hope share, like na mkasubscribe, si ndio? Tafadhalini hata to interact, ulizeni maswali hapo kwa comments. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Chenye tuna make guys ni uji wa ngano. Sawa? I know especially kama umetoka Kanairo and many other places, labda hujai check stuff, because even when I saw it, I was quite surprised, and when I tasted it, oh my god, even better. So obviously tutatumia unga ya ngano. Next, napenda ku spice na hii ni iliki, so iko hapa. Hii inaitwa cardamom. So unatoa from the husk and then you come and put it in your pestle and mortar. Unabonda kiasi. Hii ni bonda na skari. Unajua lazima tu uweke ka taste bana, ka taste kidogo. So you can either use sugar or honey maybe, or any other sweetener if you're like agave, you know, whatever you're into. And also you will need this is a nice clean bowl and a whisk. The whisk we're going to use to mix your all-purpose flour with your water to just make uji. I'm sure you know how to make uji, guys. Yeah, and this, I told you it would be simple, guys. Imagine you only need 1, 2, 3, 4 things, including coconuts and water, obviously. Yeah. So, guys, karibuni sana. And our guest of honor is obviously the mbuzi, guys. I love this thing. It's really good. So I just want to show you real quick how you use this when you're grating your coconut. Twendeni hivi. For real, I was going to skip this part, showing you how to make the porridge, but it just hit me, maybe there's someone out there who doesn't know how to make porridge from scratch. So this is what you do here. Take an empty container, although mine does have a bit of water, because, you know, I've done this before. But anyway, take an empty container, take your whisk. You can also use a fork or a spoon or a mwiko, and some flour. This is all-purpose. This is ngano flour, wheat flour. But usually porridge is made using many different flours. So just put your flour in your water, depending on how much porridge you want to make, yeah? Whisk it. Add just a bit of water because you don't want it to be too thin. Remember, this is going to go into a bigger pot of hot water that our water has been boiling for a while now. So I think it's a nice thick consistency, not too thick. You're going to see it when I'm pouring it into our water mixture. Okay. I like it. I feel like adding a bit of. So guys, we're just going to give it like maybe 15 minutes even on nice low heat, and yeah, we're going to come and check on it. See you in a while guys, and while we're still here, please like, subscribe, share, follow, bonyeza hizo zote, make comments guys. We are here to do this. Thank you so much for watching this far. Tuendelee kucheck hii stuff, it's going to be delicious man. And hivi guys, we're done, and as you can see, it's a bit of a workout, but we're done finally. This is our end product. We have used 2 coconuts, 2 awesome, these were really nice coconuts actually. So now I just want to show you what we're going to do with this. We're actually going to go make some milk, so let's go like this and do our thing. And then hivi here we have our grated coconut. Tuntoka kuekuna hii. So we add a bit of water and we start to wring the delicious coconut out of it. Wring it ile ni kama And you guys, please make sure your hands are always clean, because hauwezi pikia watu na mikono zako zinakaa venye zinakaa, sawa? Please, especially in this season of all that's going on, just make sure that your hands are clean. So I feel like this is well wrung. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a separate tray. I like to use a tray, and we're going to squeeze our coconut flesh onto our tray. I'll just use both hands here. We're still going to use this. You can make coconut flour from it. We're going to do a recipe, and you can still wring it one more time. So all this that you're seeing right here is coconut milk. A couple of things before we continue. First of all, have you liked and subscribed? Have you shared? Have you commented? You've done all those things, good. So now I want to remind you, this porridge boils like milk. It's going to be there 1 minute and the next minute it's pouring. So keep your eyes on it. Please just make sure you keep your eyes on it. I had to learn the hard way. Second, we made our milk, you guys, and we got almost 750 ml worth of coconut milk, guys. This is like, you can unabengi coconut milk, you know this is the bomb, kwa sababu tumetumia only 2 coconuts, just 2 coconuts, guys. So now let's dive right into it. Our porridge has boiled. I like the way it's looking. It's boiling nicely. We're going to add our iliki or cardamom. This is life. The reason why I like cardamom is because first of all, the smell is divine. Second, the health benefits are myriad. Uliza wase wa veve watakwambia cardamom is the bomb. So ukiweka kwa uji na kwa story nyingine. So now this is our cardamom. You see the way it even gives it a nice, it breaks the color. It was looking a bit the color was looking a bit weird, but now I like the way it's broken it. It's given it some life. Apart from that, now the moment of truth, we add our coconut milk. I don't know if you guys are ready because I'm so excited. There we go. Sorry, cheki hadi na mwaga nje guys. Please make sure you mwaga into your sufuria, not outside. Hadi I'm like, will I use all of this? Because hey, we've gotten so much milk. Let me just put this down. And last but definitely not least, our sugar. Some little sweetening, you know. Leo mimi natumia sugar. Weka unapenda honey, kwa unapenda nini. Tumia. I like to put my sugar before. See, I'm trying to be economical or anything. Lakini it just, the raw sugar when it cooks, I feel it has a much better like taste to it. I'll just put all this. Najua wasa naenda kusherekea sana. Itakuwa tamu. So guys, can you see how the look has changed? Tumeka tu maziwa ya nazi na tukeka cardamom na sukari. That's it guys. Who would have thought? Please tell me if you're going to try this recipe at home. I know it was so easy. I know. Please just try it and tell me what you think. This is a nice like breakfast in the morning, like on a Sunday when you guys are at home and you have time. This is very, very nice. And also you can make the stuff the night before. Maybe put your milk in the fridge and then uendelee kunini umeka asubuhi. Sorry, I'm sweating guys. It's just niku gain health. Ini health. It's like I'm at a sauna. Ni health. So now I'm going to just cover it for 5 minutes on low and just get my stuff together. And yeah, let's see us when we're serving, guys. Thanks for keeping it locked this far. You're the best. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much for sticking with us till the end. Now here we've come to the taste test, guys. Tuko hapa kujua kama inji yenyewe ni legit ama tulikuwa tunaekelea. So with me I have these beautiful ladies, and the reason why I chose them is because I know they don't like porridge at all, and I know their opinions will definitely be honest. So ladies, let me just pour for you some of this delicious porridge, and then you just tell me what you think bana. Alafu juu ya kujazi vikombe tunaweka kama warami. Tunaweka tu kidogo kidogo hivyo. Karibuni sana juu.
Thank you.
Moment of truth, Pam. So Shko, we'll start with you. What do you think?
It is nice. It really does. It gives like, it has like an oat feel to it. I like the spice, but I would maybe put cinnamon. Yeah.
Instead of cardamom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it. It's really nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here with us to taste. And you, Shiba, how did you taste it?
I actually love it. I love it so much. And then I can taste the coconut from afar. Yeah.
You like it, eh?
I love it. Thank you.
Bana, you guys, I hope you will make this for your family and let me know how it went, guys. I hope the recipe was nice and simple. I really tried to make it as easy as possible. I hope you enjoyed being here with me as much as I enjoyed shooting for you. So we'll see you in the next one, man. Karibuni tena ni Seth na Mugore. Kumbukeni kulike, subscribe na kushare, si ndio? Na pia acheni ma comments hapo down. See you in the next one, man. Thank you so much.